In this video, I will show you how to download Wondershare Filmora for free on your PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and search for Wondershare Filmora. Then, open the official Wondershare website. Once you're on the homepage, click on Pricing. Here, you'll see different plans available, including Individual, Team and Business, and Education. If you're planning to use Filmora on your own computer, choose the Individual plan. On the next page, you'll see different subscription options. Since we're only downloading the free version, there's no need to purchase anything. Simply scroll down or go back to the Download section and click the Free Download button. The installer will now start downloading to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The Filmora installer will open. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, click Start Now to launch Filmora. If prompted, sign in with your Wondershare account or create a new one for free. You can now start editing your videos using Filmora's free version. That's how you can download Wondershare Filmora for free on your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel